My name is Greg Nicotero. I have been the owner of KNB EFX Group since 1988. We are the longest running makeup effects company in history, and we are about to celebrate our 40th anniversary. We're currently working on a display that's going to be at the Motion Picture Academy Museum for the 50th anniversary of Jaws. So I supervised the restoration of the last casting of the original shark from the movie, and it's now on display at the museum. So they started talking about the 50th anniversary, and they said, well, we really want to do something interactive in the exhibit. And I said, well, great. Well, why don't we make like a quarter scale shark? What was most important for me was it had to be an exact replica. There's certain tried and true elements of that shark that are iconic. You can't put a shark up on display in the Academy Museum and have somebody come in and go, the fin doesn't look right. Like, no. That's exactly off of the original model. That's the way it was intended to look. Instead of sculpting it, we scanned the actual shark and we were able to output it at the exact size we wanted. 3D modeling just allows you a tremendous amount of freedom. Then we take that and we put it on our Formlabs printers.
And from there, we would break that down into pieces that were keyed, and then we can glue those together, body shop it, and then we take that, we give it to our mold department. Without Formlabs being as fast as they would have, that would have taken forever. My name is Derek Childers. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I'm the lead of the 3D printing department here at KNB EFX. I help bring the creatures to life using mechanical engineering and using Formlabs printers to make those parts for the mechanical engineering components.
So Dave Grasso, who is my digital artist, actually widened the corners of the mouth a little bit. Using 3D modeling, it took a day. Now, if we had this big giant clay shark and I came in and said, hey, can you change the shape of the mouth? It would take a week.
So the final parts that are printed in the Bruce shark would be the upper and lower palettes. What's cool about this shark in particular is that we were showing the side of it exposed, so you can see the actual mechanics. So a lot of components in there are 3D printed. Being able to print super fast on the 4L, we printed out an entire 6-foot shark in pieces, and we're able to assemble it in about 2 weeks.
I'm thrilled with how Formlabs was able to really push this project to a whole other level, especially for us, because all the projects that we're doing now, there's always an opportunity to, let's print that.
4L, I think it's worth investing in. It's an initial cost up front, but you're gonna save so much money on the back end. And once you invest the first time, then every single thing you make after that is gonna be faster, it's gonna be cheaper. Your workflow will just drastically be changed for the better.